What's up, guys? Welcome to another day of my life. Today is Sunday reset, and today is a chill day. I love it. It's a raining day, but today I'm gonna about to go to the supermarket and do my hair, take out my braids because so come with me. If you're new here, don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe, and follow me for more daily life videos with Diana. So let's go. Alrighty, so hello guys, I'm back. So I already get changed, I'm ready, have some shorts, my sneakers, and I got my shopping cart ready because I gotta buy a big rice. I'm going to the supermarket and I need this big shopping cart because I need 50-pound rice that I'm gonna send back home to Dominican Republic with these bags. So I'm ready and see you guys in a little bit. Alrighty, the day is pretty cool. Not that hot, little bit humid. Look at it, the garden, how it is already. Look at the garden. Oh my god, yes, the garden. Look at the garden. They're doing such a good job so far. This is the community garden. They already grow so much. Nice. I'm going all the way down to the supermarket. Nice field, playground field, whatever, baseball field. This is such a nice place too. The kids come here to play around. And finally I arrived to the supermarket. It's all the way over there. There is a 99 store, the supermarket. And let's Supermercado, Dollar General. And the Family Dollar. Look at this. Stalin Grace. I love the candle section. Let's see what I find over here. I already have some personal items. I have some school supplies to send it to the yard. And what else I need? Everything that I wanted, excluding the carrots. But look at my shopping cart. Let me show you. Oh my god. And now I gotta run because look at this. Oh my god, I got the supplies and everything. But now I gotta run. After I took the rice, if the other rice was like $50, so I say no, give me another one. But anyways, so now I gotta run home because it's about to rain. I don't want these notebooks to get wet. See you guys later. Alrighty, I'm back home and now I'm sweating because I was rushing. It was about to rain and yeah. So I have my receipt in the first supermarket. I spent, let me see how was. I bought the rice 92.16, and then in the Family Dollar I spent 46.80, which is around 140 something. Everything together, not bad, not bad. Okay, I almost got everything that I need. So yeah, I got a couple of supplies, couple of school supplies, food, fruits, and yeah, so this is everything that I got. show you. I got my eggs, candy, everything, milk, and now I'm gonna put everything away. So let's go. Let me show you guys that nice chicken that I bought in the supermarket. Let me show you. Let me show you. Look, let me come here. Look at this nice chicken. Look, they sell it like this. It only costs $8. It's already cooked. I don't have to cook. Now in summer, let me show you. Look at that Rossetti chicken. And they season it really good. So do you think I'm gonna start a cook? Nope. Look at this, Stalin Grace. Look at the chicken. So nice. So that will be probably for lunch. I will eat my chicken and I leave some for tomorrow. And yeah. It is very convenient. I love to buy this chicken sometimes, you know. I like to cook my own food, but because they season it really good, I buy it. And also, you know, it's Sunday. I'm not about to cook today. It's really hot, humid outside. So I say, let me wake up, go buy my stuff early, because these days it's been coming really hot in the afternoon, 101 degree, 110 degrees. So no. And here we go. So I'm gonna have my chicken and later I will eat it with some salad or anything, I don't know. Let me know in the comments if you like Rossetti chicken from the supermarket or from any favorite store, and leave it in the comments. It's time to eat. Yeah. So I had some quinoa. I have my chicken, my Rossetti chicken. Look at this. And I have some Caesar salad or green salad. And yeah, it looks a lot, but it's not, because this is low calorie. And you know, I'm ready to eat. Alright, to take my bread out, as always, I will use a plastic bag, scissor, comb, peine de palito, and ganchito in Spanish. I don't know, whatever. So I will do that, and let's start. This is my hair. This is the real Diana. Look at my hair. I love it. Look at the curls. I love when I take the braids out. But I had to watch it. And yeah, what do you guys think? Look at my hair, how long it is. And yeah, beautiful. Yes. So I will watch it and yeah, keep going. Look at this. I took everything out. Woo. Finally, I can scratch it. Yeah. What do you guys think? Should I leave it like this? Or what's the next hairstyle I should do for next time? Let me know in the comments. I should put brown. I should do golden. I should do burgundy. Or curls, straight. What I should do? Let me know in the comments. And see you guys in a little bit. So basically, yeah, that's about it. I took my braids out, and yeah, later, maybe in the night, I will take a shower. I will wash my hair, take more time. But for now, I'm just gonna relax, enjoy my day, relax a little bit. I've been doing so much already. Going to the supermarket, doing this hair, like it's already a lot. So I'm gonna relax, enjoy, maybe watch a movie, and I hope also you guys enjoy, watch a movie, rest, find peace. And I hope you also like and enjoy my videos. I do it with so much love, and if you leave a like, it will help me to grow, and you guys can follow my journey, what I do every day. I hope I can encourage someone. I can also motivate anyone, because that's my purpose. And yeah, so that's basically it, the end of the vlog, and I see you guys in another video. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe for more fun life with Diana. Bye.